We just finished connecting a 635 flex draper header to this combine, and being that this is the first time this combine's seen that type of header, it's given us an error code 1515.13, which indicates that calibration is required. To proceed from here, you want to hit the accept button to acknowledge the error, and accept button to acknowledge the low fuel situation. From your main combine page, you want to go to the diagnostics, and from the diagnostics you want to go down and open the drop down and scroll up or down until you see header calibration. From here, it's going to be ask us to do make sure that the combine is on level ground with engine running at high idle. So I'll proceed to rev the engine to high idle and hit the accept button. Now it's going to ask us to lower the feeder house with the header resting on the ground. I'm going to drop it right to the ground, make sure it's fully in the lowered position until you feel the whole machine relax. Once it's fully lowered to the ground, you should be able to click next for your next step, and you want to press and hold the header raise switch. The calibration will proceed automatically from there. At this point, it's going to ask us to decrease the cutter bar pressure. So we'll select this button here, and we can either scroll, and we want to scroll, or use the plus minus key there to drop the pressure down below 1000. Now it'll proceed automatically. You'll notice that there is no next button. We have to push and hold the header lower switch, and we have to continue to hold it. Now it's changed to press and hold the header raise switch, and we have to make sure we continue to hold it. Now the on the ground flex mode is calibrated. It's going to ask us to proceed to the next step, and the next step tells us that the calibration is complete. We can enter to save changes, or select cancel to abort. Further performance tuning is required for the automatic header height control. So we're going to follow the next step here. Press and hold the header lower switch. It tells us to continue to hold the header lower switch. The feeder house will continue to raise and lower, kind of bouncing up and down. And it's going to calibrate the system for optimal performance. Once it's finished that, we can select enter to save any changes and exit. And that completes the on-the-ground calibration for a 635 flex draper.